Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to install the cab corners and the rocket guards. We received them already. This one is already in easily, just goes in and just sucks right in. This is really bad and also very easy to do. This is really bad. So everything is gonna get done over again. And we're gonna use this guy right there, rocker guy. Okay, so this is the cab cover corners, and the running board is right here. Anyways, let's stay tuned. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna paint up the back of the cab corner. Then we're gonna do this. We're gonna make sure we try putting at least the cab corners tonight, and we'll do the running boards after, because we know it takes a little bit more time. We gotta cut and fix it and do whatever to try to install it. Anyways, let's get into it with painting the inside of this with this, and that's about it. Anyways, guys, hey guys, so the rocker panels are almost done already, and the running board, we're still gonna give it another coat once it's on the truck. Guys, check this. This is what we gotta fix. I think it's gonna turn out good. This is bad, but we're gonna try to at least install the cab corners for today. This for another episode, most likely tomorrow or the day after. But we're gonna do this very quick. The weather is getting colder and colder. All those stuff that we need to do, we gonna get to do it. So please guys, stay tuned, keep watching. We're trying to do these videos and try to show you what we were doing. And this is how we painted the rocker panels and the cab corners using this guy right here, rock guard in black, premium rubberized. Anyways guys, stay tuned, watch this, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, these are the cheap mods whatsoever, the cheapest mods to do on a truck. And keep watching, check out the rest of the videos, you're gonna see everything else. And it's time for me to do the same. It's time I'm signing out guys. Peace.